Hello everybody. So this is the next video in the series of demonstration videos on how you can go about operating and reporting using the district website for the rota year 2020-2021. Just a little heads up, I'm still going to use RCRCCRT's credentials, and in this video we are going to learn on how you can go ahead and report your non-showcase projects or projects which you have already completed in the past. So once you are logged in with the credentials which are emailed to you, you will see your own dashboard and everything that you reported in the past. If you have seen all the videos in the series so far, you might remember that we had reported a project named Sankalp Taru in the past in the previous videos. So in this video, we will go ahead and report a non-showcase project. So for doing that, all we need to do is move on to a tab which says this, that is report non-showcase project. Do not use any of the above types, that is showcase project or report project, for showcasing your project, for reporting a non-showcase project, because they are specifically designed for projects which were showcased, okay, or which were publicly available on the district's website. So as I move on to this tab, I'll see a heading report non-showcase project. Again, the club's name has already been populated. I'll select the venue of the project. So what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to report Sankalp Taru once again with a different name maybe. Let's just say Sankalp Taru 2.2. Okay. Now you could select a poster for this project if you had it. Again, this is an optional field, so you can very much ignore it or not choose to upload the poster. There we go. Next is description. So I'll just okay. Now for this particular reporting page, the start date and time could be something in the past as well, okay, because these are the projects which are not going to be showcased first of all, and secondly, um, there might be projects which you have done in the past but you did not choose to showcase, and they can be reported here as well. So I'll just choose a date in the past. Okay, so as of recording this video on 21st of August, I'll just select a date of 15th of August, say, and let's just say this project lasted for a few days, so let's select 18th of August, 12 p.m. Fine. So again, multiple places. Now this is for the pre-project social media post event URL. So this is when you announce your project, right? And I'll just I have a link right here, so I'll use it. And fill it with the necessary data. Now this is the project report. So for this, I'm still going to submit the entries as in the last video. Okay, now for the photos and videos URL, again, as I did explain on how you can organize stuff and everything in your Google Drive, let's just say I'll use this particular URL again. On if you want more information on how you can go about organizing your drive for multiple things regarding reporting, please see the previous video. I have linked it to the I button above. Okay, now for the attendance sheet URL, let's use the same sheet which was submitted last time. Okay, anyone on the internet with this link can view, copy link, and that's about it. Now for participants, you can go ahead writing say 50 part 5 Rotarians and say 20 guests. Now this is for the post, for the social media post which you might do after your event has completed, okay, like a conclusion sort of that this is what you did with the project and everything. So I have a post event social media link as well. Just go about sharing it right here, and everything that you fill will be available to your to all the DSS, ADSs and JARAs. So make sure everything that you have filled is correct, and you do not have to change the details later on. Once all is done, you just have to hit submit and wait a little. Alright, so we are here. As you can see that we just reported Sankalparu 2.2 and it is available in the reported project section as well. So as you might see that this project is being displayed in green color because it has already been reported. Okay, so what you did was you created a project and you reported it simultaneously. This is only possible when you are reporting a project which has happened in the past or a project which you did not choose to showcase. So this is how you can go about reporting any project, even if you are going to showcase it. So for that there is a video link to the I button above, and if you do not choose to showcase it, you can go about all the steps by following this particular video. This is it for this one. Thank you so much for tuning in.